Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put cosecant of 3x squared and cosecant of 3x to the power of 4. Next, this one we can put like this because number 2 multiplied by number 2 we have number 4. So we have the formula in here. That should be in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine 3x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have negative number 3, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 3. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. This one with the s we change for the u over negative number 3. And now we need to expand this one. Next, u to the power of 4 multiplied by this one, and number 1. And now we have the formula in here. So we put number 8 go in here. So 8 plus 1 we have number 9. Similar for the second one. And the last one about u, that is about cosine 3x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.